we will explore on the implementation of OOP in Java. So okay, the first thing you can do is to, because of OOP use class, the implementation mainly rely on the use of class, where you can create an object based on class. So you can create an object by using the keyword class, and then provide the name. Let's say you want to create a class person. Okay, this is the basic syntax. Then you can save this file. Okay, I put this in my document folder. So it depends on how you put it in your computer. So in my case, I put it in the OOP folder. Then make sure the name of the file is identical to the class name, except that for the file name, make sure the extension is .java. So you have the file. Now let's create the property for this class. Let's start with property name of type string. Another property is age of data type integer, and then we have double for data type, or data type weight for weight of type double. Okay, and then you can create what we call driver class application. This is where you create the object based on the class person. So we start by creating a public and this is the entry point of your Java program. You need to declare a main function of, and make sure it is publicly accessible by declaring the main function as public and static. Now you can create the object based on class person. So this is how you create the object. And then because this is an object, you need to use the keyword new to create a new object based on class person. Now to assign value to the attribute, you can use the assign operator. Let's say this person, the attribute name for this person is Mike, for example, and then you can also assign the value age, which is of type integer. That's why you can put any integer number. Weight is double. You can put decimal point. So let's say this one is still 65.6. Now you can then print out the information of this person. So you can utilize the format method of a string to properly print out the data of this object P1. So it is in this format. So name, let's say name is you can use %s for displaying string. Age you can use %t, and weight you can use weight you can use %f, but since I want to format it in 1 decimal point, I can specify my .1f to make sure it is 1 decimal point. Then after that I list out all the property, name, P1, age, and the last one is P dot weight. So WEIGHT. Okay, so this is how you create an object based on class person. Now for this file you have two class, person and application. Person is the one class, and then the application is the driver class. Now you can try to compile this to make sure JavaC is installed in your system. You can type in JavaC. Okay, so JavaC is installed in your system. So by typing either JavaC or Java, to make sure if you get this output, then it means the Java compiler and JavaC and Java were installed successfully in your system. Now in my case, I put my person.java in my document folder and coding/op. So if I have the file person.java in my directory here, I use command dir to list out the file, and then you can use your JavaC compiler, JavaC, and the file name person.java. So if it is okay, you have this error. This should be P1. This should be P1. So let's try again. Okay, it is successfully compiled. Now if you list out your file, you should notice that two new files were created, which is application.class and person.class. But you can only execute application because application in your code here contain the entry point, the main function, which is the entry point of your program. So to run your program, you can use this. Then you should get this output.